Hello and welcome to another chemistry tutorial video. Today, for chapter 2, I will be going over how to find and write chemical ions. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here is an example that I will show step by step on how to arrive at your desired answer. The question reads, using the periodic table, determine the ion and symbol that has 95 protons and 148 neutrons. Now, while you could just as easily highlight, right-click, and search on Google, what good will that do you? Here, I have come up with 3 easy steps. If you commit these 3 steps to memory, then naming compounds will become so much easier. So, here are the following steps. Step 1 is to locate the atomic number. Step 2, find atomic weight. Step 3, subtract atomic number from the atomic weight. Because it was very hard to see, I have decided that to better benefit you, I went ahead and posted a link in the description to a periodic table so that you can follow along as I go through each step individually. Also, be sure to have something to write on and with so that you can do the steps with me. To begin, step 1 is to locate the atomic number. If you refer back to the question, it states that this certain ion has 95 protons. From basic knowledge, we know that the atomic number is equivalent to, or the same as the number of protons. Now that you have found the atomic mass, step 2 is to find the atomic weight. The atomic weight is easy to find because it is located below an element symbol. In your case, our certain ion's atomic weight is 243.061. But due to significant figures, however, we round up to the nearest whole number, which in this case is 243. Once you have both sets of data, you are finally able to proceed to step 3, which is to subtract. If you subtract the atomic number from the atomic weight, which is 243 minus 95, it will leave you with the number of neutrons. And so after you subtract 243 minus 95, you are left with 148 neutrons. So if you go back and match the data you found with the ones from the question, you may then proceed to write down your final answer. If your final answer was americium, then you are right. Let me know if you got it in the comment section below. Now, you might be done, or your professor might ask you, what is its symbol? So, the final thing that you must do before you can write your final answer is that you have to write its symbol. So, as we have found, americium is the ion that contains 95 protons and 148 neutrons. When you write down the symbol for an ion/element, you use the first 2 letters of the name. So, for americium, the symbol would be a capital A and a lowercase m. Thanks for watching this tutorial video on how to write chemical symbols for ions. You are now one step closer to being a master at chemistry. I'll see you in the next video.